Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is a Tuesday market update. As you can see that last week the market is slammed down hard. They scare a lot of people. They try to run out the door. They think that the market hit all-time high, and maybe the big correction coming up. But the market pulled back down pretty hard, and on Friday, and then they be able to stabilize, as you can see here, and then they bow right back up from the support, and now they continue to push it up to the upside. We are still not out of the wood yet, but we have to monitor carefully on the upside. We still have a sell zone here, still waiting for them. So as long as they still below the sell zone, we still have to be careful. Okay, so let's see it in the next couple of days. The market will be able to punch through this level and get up higher, or they will get stuck here and pull back down again. So step by step, the market at all-time high. The trend is still up, so we will stick with the uptrend until they pull the rug out, and then we will go from there. So if you look at the Nasdaq, it also pull back, and then they'll be able to bow right back up, and the momentum is still hang tight to the upside. So this is the first time that the NQ they break a upper support trend line. So they drop here and then they bow back up, and we still have to watch out for the resistance on the way up there. And if you look at the Dow it also drop and then they bow right back up. So again, we still have a test at this level here again. And the Russell 2000 is still range bound between the sell zone buy zone here. So they drop to the bottom, they bow back up, and look like they still carry the momentum, try to put it back up again. So as long as they still stay in the range bound, a lot of small cap stocks still have a hard time to find direction where they go, so they go up and down. So we have to trade in a channel here before they can get out and tell it what they want to do next. If you look at the crude oil is still they drop it down. Okay, so this is the first time they break below the long-term support trend line. So definitely they will have some issue here. So right now, but after the big drop here, we're looking for some bouncing back up to test the line here, and to see they be able to reclaim the uptrend, or they will continue to fall out to the downside. So, but in the short term, probably they're looking for some kind of rebound here. So we will see in the next couple of days where they're heading to. Gold, it also found a support at the buy zone. They put it back up, but they hit right into the resistance here. So they have to choppy sideways before they can be the buy here, before they can tell you what they want to go next. But overall, if they be able to find a support in this area here, they are still be able to put it up to the upside again. And if you look at the Bitcoin, it's still choppy sideways. They dancing around a buy zone here. So let's see it tomorrow. They have a convention day on the crypto, to see that any new there will help them to lift it back up to the upside. So you can see the same thing like Ethereum. So they stuck into the buy zone here. So they have to have a strong support here at this level here. Okay, so let's see how they lay out, and then we go from there. But either way, I think that this one is in the final phase of to find a support here. Right now, if you look at all the sector today, look at the 11 sector of the S&P 500, they're all in green, which is pretty good. So they have broad-based try to bouncing back up from the bottom. So let's see if they be able to carry the momentum to the upside. Couple of sectors, a strong one like the industrial. The industrial sector with a lot of big cap stock like Catibella, okay, and Home Depot, and those stocks still try to bow at the support here. So, but overall trend is still better. But in the short term, they may find a support and looking for a rebound to the upside. Okay, FedEx it also found a support there, and Home Depot it gained some momentum. It tried to put it up again. So as you can see, it the stock is very strong in the industrial sector there, and the another sector is also strong at the XLV, which is the healthcare. You see a lot of stock still sideways, but a lot of strong one. Like you can see that the Moderna, mRNA, those stocks, the last couple of days they shoot up to the moon, but they hit to the resistance. So people take some profit. Let's see, they have to go jumpy sideways here before they can resume up then again. And a lot of stocks are doing well today on the new Delta virus vaccine. So the Johnson Johnson, they put it back up, but it still have a lot of resistance here also. Another sector here, they try to rebound there, that the ARKG. Another stock in this sector, they try to find a way to push it back up. And Pfizer, it also the strong vaccine there, they shoot it up today, but they hit right to resistance, so they get stuck there again. So let's see they be able to continue to put it up tomorrow. In terms of the technology, you can see that a lot of stock are bouncing hard today. It's like Apple after one day drop, a couple of days drop here, they pull right back up. So they try to fill up the gap here. So by tomorrow, we need to see that they be able to continue to carry the momentum to the upside. Okay, or they give up here and continue to the downside. So tomorrow it will be a very important day because those stocks they get into the earning very soon here. So the outcome, the result of the quarterly earning will make the face for those stocks. So you can see that Apple, Adobe, Amazon, they also rebound from the support there. Facebook, right, and Google, they're all bouncing back up. Microsoft also try to get back to fill up the gap here, very similar to Apple. And Netflix, it's also another stock, it's also a sideways choppy here. So they have an earning, I think it today earning or tomorrow earning, but this one here, if the earning is good, they will tell you that they what the direction they're going to go next, because they have been ran bound into this area here. And the energy sector today, a lot of stocks try to rebound, and a bunch of stocks they drop pretty hard, but they try to bounce back up. But we yet want to see this one yet a short term bouncing back up, and they will resume uptrend, or they will continue to go back up. That's very important. It depends on the crude oil there. Okay. Another sector that also doing pretty well today, that's the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary. It also found support and bounce right back up. So they let's see tomorrow they'll be able to continue to put it to the upside. The banking, financial, it's also bouncing hard today, like American Express, as you can see there. BlackRock, they also jump up, and JP Morgan, okay, and Charles Schwab, they all try to find a way to move back to the upside also. So let's see tomorrow they be able to carry the momentum to push it back up, or there will be another choppy day. That for the summer the stock is trying to bouncing back and forward, so you have to trade carefully. All right. So one sector that we very interesting that I see that a lot of green energy, like the stock related to the electric vehicle, they also bouncing high from today, like Ford, okay, GM, right, and NIO, okay, and Tesla, and XPEV. So those stock here depend on the Tesla when they going to now earning next week. Let's see if they can carry momentum and live up all the electric vehicle stock here to the upside or not. All right. So I think that all I have for you. So beside those stocks, okay, if you are busy working, you can subscribe to our Watchlist premium watchlist, where we handpick about 5 stocks every week and analyze in detail with the entry, stop loss, and the target so that you can follow. I hope that you enjoy my analysis, please click the thumb up like button below, or any suggestion, please let me know so I can make the YouTube better for you. Again, thank you for watching, and good luck to in your trading. I will see you during the week. Take care.